Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we're in Animal Company with my friend. Oh my gosh, this is laggy recording. And yeah, flashlight. So we're gonna be doing the new, oh my gosh, this is laggy. We're gonna be doing the new map one with just flashlights and flares. Let's do this. Oh my gosh, this is so laggy. Okay, the lag's gone. Or not. Okay. So yeah, only lights and flares. I mean, you're allowed everything else.
Come on.
I don't have everything.
We don't really need the flares. I mean, the flares can be good, but I don't really need it.
Flashlight. I'm allowed the rocket for the start. I'm allowed, because it's not actually at the start of the thing. Okay. Oh my gosh.
I'll see you there.
Yep.
I'm going down.
Secret tunnel. Secret tunnel. Are you at the vents?
Yep.
There. Okay. So, me and my friend call this place Jeff's home. Yeah.
After you.
Hey, ladies first.
Why'd you just go first?
Oh, he scares me every time. Go run, run. Okay, I'm pretty sure he's here. Oh wait, no, that. Oh, okay, the second part was easy.
We have a 3-1.
Oh.
Did you die?
Maybe. Wait for me.
Behind you.
What the?
Let's go.
Wait. I need more of these. And then flare. Okay. Second attempt. I nearly fell.
I'm there.
I'm nearly there.
I have no items at all. I'm literally just going off.
I'm close. Googly googly goo!
Yo, I don't have any items, so I'm just gonna... You gotta go ahead, because you have flash.
Bro, who's gonna be the other flash? Hold up. No, I thought I saw another flash.
Come on.
Of course.
Oh, people notice us. You couldn't play.
Go back. That's a good Jeff. Make sure to look behind you. Oh, he's here. Jake, you go.
No, hold on.
Yes. That part's so scary.
For real. Oh shoot, no.
Oh. Oh, why did I have to fall down? Here,
You can go first because you have the light.
do you want to stay here for a little bit to find some loot for you?
No, it's fine.
Right.
Oh,
Okay,
shoot,
yeah,
there's a mimic.
the plunger will not help you in the second part.
I know. Might. You never know. What if I stick to something?
You have
And I
to
don't
stick
fall?
to one of the server boards,
I know.
not the wall. Because, oh, bro. Okay. This is not scary, but you're already messed up. Bro, already messed
So,
up.
don't you have flashlights in your bag?
No. Oh wait, yeah, I got. Head back, head back. Wait, I have a flashlight in my bag. What? I don't remember having.
What?
Jake, look, behind you.
Oh yeah.
I don't even remember having it. I don't want to risk it that I aggroed him. Don't want to risk that.
I think that was me.
Why do I have a flare gun? What did I do? Are you okay? You dead? What happened to him? I'll come and try to find you.
Come in.
Okay. Okay, now I can't revive you.
Yeah, but why don't you get that one? I'll revive and
I'm just gonna quickly go to the. Oh my gosh! Okay. Come on! Oh my god! Whoa!
I'm coming.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm coming.
Meet you at the exit.
Yep.
Ugh.
Well, remember, I'm supposed to let that shouldn't I?
Ugh. Oh, we are to respawn. Challenge complete. Oh, okay, we done the challenge. Well, I done it. but like,
Well, kind of.
yeah. So, guys, make sure to like and subscribe, and if you want more Animal Company content, comment down below. See ya. Oh, hell no. No.